When you're in charge of operations and have no graphic design skills, putting together decent professional-looking reports can really slow you down. Let's break down how you can create clean, data-driven slides without ever having to manually line up a single text box. Dokie AI is built to get rid of that design bottleneck for busy operations teams, especially when it comes to data-driven slides, 3D animations, and dynamic features. All right, everyone, here we are on Dokie. That's Dokie.ai, a smarter way to present your ideas, whether it's for personal use, small businesses, medium-sized, or large companies. This is some AI software you really ought to check out. And in today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to use it, just how easy and seamless it is, and how brilliant the value for money is with this tool. So having a quick look through the website, it's just beautifully designed and put together. All the FAQs are down at the bottom, and there's a fantastic library of reviews from real users that you can read through. In today's video, we're going to log into our account, show you the dashboard, and show you what we can create right at our fingertips. It's going to be so easy. So this is basically the Dokie workspace. Here, you can open up new tasks. You've got the library. Right here, you basically have a section where you tell it your idea, keep it casual, and we're basically going to bring it to life, whether that's drafts you write in, slides, long scrolls, design visuals, everything. You can also add things here as well. We're basically going to drop this little prompt in here right now, and we'll see what it can do. It's a quarterly operations performance. We want to organize all of this, because right now it's all messy, it's clunky. If we were to present this to, say, our team, or maybe even to new investors, it's going to look really messy. So we need to get this organized and looking visually appealing, because that's what Dokie does. It makes things look beautiful and easy to understand in just a few moments. So the docking manager is doing its thing. It's thinking. We wanted to use a modern corporate consulting style for this. It's going to be pretty cool. Let's just wait for it. Go ahead and take a look. So as you can see, we've got the different actions here. So the Dokie manager can create the slide. It's got the key information that it actually generated for us, which is really, really cool too. You can choose different themes, which I also think is absolutely great. You've got different types of animation, the page count, and you can choose the language. We're going to choose that green one in the top right-hand corner of the screen as the option, and we're going to press save there. And now the Dokie designer is going to get to work. We've got the outline set up here. Just going to make sure that all the slides look good and match what we want to present. Yep, all the different content sections are here. I think that all looks pretty good. Yes. Okay. Key performance metrics. Fantastic. Yep, that looks good. Just need to go through and do a quick check of everything that's there. And once we're happy, we can confirm and generate all of it. And here it is, the Q2 OPS review. And we've got everything here, the summary, the contents, the performance metrics, everything's there. Sales, the IT department, the challenges, the strategy, the timeline, and the final recommendations. Plus a nice little prompt at the end asking if there are any questions. This is perfect for, again, investors. You're showing your own team. You sit down, have a review, look at the analytics, and figure out how to move forward with the business in a sensible way. Please make the presentation suitable for an executive board meeting and add stronger section dividers. So let's go through and take a look and use more executive language throughout. So let's see if it can actually follow that instruction. Okay, so it's going to enhance it. Yep, that's what we want. Zoom in. That's what the Dokie designer has created for us. Fantastic. Okay. Nice. Contents, executive summary, operations, and customer support performance. Very good. Department performance, sales and finance. Yep, the IT section here too. We got it. So as you can see, yep, all the different sections, the customer support section here, it's all here for us. We can go in and then make certain sections longer or shorter. We can rewrite them with AI. We can adjust them. It's all here. If we want to use AI rewrite, we can go in and do it. If we want to make it more formal, fix the grammar, or expand it, we can do it. So let's implement a standardized vendor for this one. We can go here. We might just want to maybe change the font, for example. You can easily do that as well. Go in here. Go for AI rewrite on here. We just want to make it more formal, nice and simple. Warehouse overhead costs. Yeah, let's go in and have a look. Got the key performance metrics. We want to insert something here, maybe an image or something like that. We want to do a chart or a specific kind of animation. You can add an extra image here too. You can even generate the image with AI, search from the web, add from Dokie, or upload it yourself from your own device. Okay, cool. We can add in here the different charts that we basically have. All sorts of different options, bar, line, pie, circular, quadrant, everything's here, and that's great. We've got the performance improvements that we can adjust there for that little bar graph we just added, talking about employee productivity versus operational costs. We can throw a little animation in there, really cool. You can do things like an automatic entrance animation, different kinds of interactions, whether they're automatic or custom, hover, click, linked. There's all sorts of cool stuff here. Really nice. If you can imagine this up on a big whiteboard screen, it's going to look absolutely fantastic. So we can generate that and take a look. So you can actually go over it and it highlights everything. Look at that. I love how it moves as you hover over it. So it really draws the viewer's attention to what's happening on the slide. That's really good, isn't it? Super cool there. The executive summary. We can go in and add some more stuff here, more advanced things like 3D models. It's got gravity effects, collision, code art, even like a mini app. Let's have a look. Okay, check that out. How cool is that? It's got that little 3D slider. Look at this. That's so cool. Some little data chart infographics there to really highlight the conversation in the slides. Super duper cool. You've got different ones like ambience too. Look at this, custom ambience with a background decoration, the cursor. Now, for example, if you just want to completely change up the background, we can do it. Spotlight, fill in. We've got the original one, of course, which is on. Let's generate one for gradient flow. For the decoration, maybe we'll go with floating icons. And you can even change the cursor trail. It's really easy. So we'll change it to that one so you guys can see this. Okay, let's go ahead and hit apply. Let's have a look. The background's changed. Really nice. So it's a lot more engaging, more dynamic, because sometimes going through this data and analytics and these stats can be boring for a lot of people. But the reality is we need to be looking into this kind of data, especially if you're running a business. It's really important that whoever's watching this, investors, business owners, employees, stay engaged. And having a slideshow software like this, such as Dokie, is going to give you the best chance to keep whoever the viewer is totally engaged. Say, for example, we want to turn it into an internal employee training presentation instead. Use instructional language, add objectives for learning, include best practices, process reminders, add a final knowledge checklist. So we can take it a step further. And it's set up for business executives now, but we want to change it. Your task is ready to go. And that's been changed to suit the different type of audience now that we've asked for. Really good. Nice. You can also change the file type there, get it downloaded. Got everything here. Have a look at Ace. So really, folks, Dokie is the way to do. Let me know what you thought about it. But yeah, I don't think you really get better. AI slides, I mean, it's really cool. Powered by GPT Image 2. All kinds of different stuff. The tool got the tutorials there, the template. Everything's there, folks, at your fingertips. There's no excuse now if you want to create invigorating, attention-seeking slideshows. It's all here. Overcome your design bottlenecks and build your professional business slides today by clicking the link below. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you hit that little notification bell. Have a great day.